So DFLI stock is up an amazing 44% today. But do you guys remember when I first introduced the stock to you guys when it was only trading at 41 cents 2 months ago? So if you want to learn how I find these type of stocks, like this video only had 168 views, go watch this video because right now you would be up an incredible like 120%. Like think about that. Like if you had $10,000, you'd be in like $12,000 in profit in just a month. Like how incredible is that? But again, I have to say off the bat, it's not trading or financial advice. I'm giving you the education. That's what I'm telling you. Like, if you really want to learn, go watch that original video and you can see like exactly how I am finding these undervalued stocks. And I'm doing it over and over and over again. Go to my channel page, click on any video. But in this video, I'm going to give you a quick update of what to expect. Please, in the comment section, let me know, like, how many of you guys are in profit and how much profit are you in? I'm just curious. Like, let me know if you're in profit because not only did I make that video like almost 2 months ago, like if you go to my channel, you'll see I had multiple updates along the way. One right here, multiple ones. One even like 5 days ago, update when I was already like, rallying. But if you just scroll down, like multiple updates. So I want to know like how many of you in the comment section, I'm just curious, like how many of you have taken advantage of it and how much are you up by? And please do me a favor, give this video a like, make sure you're subscribed, you have your notification turned on. So this video is going to be really quick because I'm not going to dive into the fundamentals like I did in the previous videos. I'm just going to show you again, like the strong buy rating still holds by the analysts at a dollar mark. But exactly like I tell you in all my videos, once it violently crosses the 50-day moving average and volume comes in, the next thing it wants to test is the 200-day moving average on the daily chart. But if you want to play it safe, like go take a look at the 45-minute chart, and pretty much it's like once you have seen as many charts I have, it becomes like so obvious. Like for example, like right here when I made that update, I told you like there will be a pullback and then we have to wait and see. Like it's going to come down as you see it did right here. It's going to come down to test this 50-day moving average on the 45-minute chart, and at that point we have to see what it does. If it starts to like break through it, then the rally is over, euphoria is over. But if it like violently bounces off of it, which it did here, like say earlier today, it just bounced off this and you could have caught it even at 71 cents, you saw like it bounced right off of it. So now the rally is going to continue and it's going to try to touch this $1.17 price point until, it determines, okay, what's going to happen next. Like maybe a lot of people will start to take profit at $1.17. So the rally and the euphoria will be over at that point. Or, if it starts to blow right past 117, which we have seen happen many times in other stocks. Look, so like when it gets on this 200-day moving average, actually the way it looks like, because you see how it's on a downslope, the 200-day moving average is on a downslope. So it's most likely that it's going to just touch it and then linger around or like trade down a little bit. It will do something like a wave, like a five pattern, like so one wave, two wave. It might go up here and then, something like that. It's going to do like a wave. It's because the 200 moving average is on a downslope. I don't see it violently crossing. I don't see it violently trading above the 200-day moving average. But when it does that, that's when the rally just keeps continuing. It just tries to find its next all-time high. So again, I want to give you that quick update. If you're, I just want to know again, like right now, it's not as undervalued as it was when I brought it to you at like 40 cents. So but there's still some rally left. So that's what I want to know. And I just want to know how many of you guys are in profit. So please let me know that in the comment section. And the next stock I want to go over is PRHP. And again, exactly. So I made the last video, like, I think right here when it was like around like 44 cents, like around like maybe, yeah, like below 50 cents for sure. I remember that. And even since my last video, so let's take a look at my channel. I'll show you right here, right here. So PRHP, oh, like, yeah, PRHP, like 2 days ago, right here. And since then, the stock is up a massive like 25%. And this is the exciting time right now. And exactly like I told you what was going to happen. So go watch that video because I'm not so go watch that video because I don't like reiterating the same information over and over. This is just an update, but exactly what I said in that video, this is going to have a massive rally. So we want to see it close clearly above the 50-day moving average. which it did like yesterday, and now it's setting up for a massive rally. And there's just one more thing that has to like get finalized. Like the thing that I'm not liking right now, honestly, is like we don't see a lot of volume. We need to see a good amount of volume come in. It's like like you look at my cursor. So we had 1 million, 1.89 million, and as of right now 1.44. So it's probably going to close at around like 2 million volume. So the volume is increasing. It's hard to tell because if you look at the volume chart, it's hard to tell. But if I go right here, yeah, like you look on the bottom of my screen, you see like the volume is increasing, but we need to see some significant volume come in for the rally to like just go like bonkers. But if you want to play it safe, go take a look at the 45-minute chart. And if the stock starts to like trade down, if it breaks below this line right here and it's trading down, then okay, then it's gonna start consolidating. Then the rally in the short term is over. Remember, we're trying to do swing trades on the channel. So the rally in the short term, maybe for like a couple of days or week, is over. But long term, like looking at like 30 days out or something, like yeah, at some point this stock is going to come up and test this $1.43. So we have like a lot of upside left. We have a massive 156% upside left, but again, it's not going to happen. So in a straight line, if we see some gap up and just a violent price movement, it could possibly like it'll do something like this. It could probably go up to like 80 cents, trade back down to like 60, then boom, a dollar, and then come back down to like 80 again, and then 143. So trade in waves like that, and it might take like a month or 2 months. The chart looks phenomenal. It's setting up for a huge rally. And I told you how I found the stock was looking at the options discrepancy. So go watch that video. And the only thing we're waiting for right now is just some massive volume to come in. And stock is setting up to do exactly what DFLI is doing right now. So a lot of potential in this stock. Put this on your watch list, and let's come back to it. I saw in the comments some of you guys have shares. So one thing I always tell you, lock in profit. Please, if you want to stand this game, 99% of traders like us blow up our account because we get greedy and we think like, oh, the stock is just going to keep going up. No, if you're in profit, lock in profit, because anything with these micro cap stocks, anything can happen. It's not like exact science. It's not like trading Facebook or like, it's not like trading Meta or like Alphabet. With these stocks, they're very violent. So if you're lucky enough to be in profit, lock in some profit. The one strategy I tell you guys is like sell half your shares. So you take out your initial investment and then just let the rest ride. So if you're in profit, make sure you're locking in some profit so you don't start crying if the stock does like dip down. To look for an exit point, like go take a look at the 45-minute chart and see when it starts to like touch this 50-day moving average on the 45-minute chart. And I've made multiple videos, so go watch my other videos and I tell you exactly how to come up with an exit strategy. But please make sure if you're in profit, take some profit and have an exit plan. Don't wait to think, okay, it's going to go up to like 143 for sure. No, everything we have to take it one day at a time and figure out like what the chart is telling us. So those are the two updates on ProPhase and DFLI. Please leave a comment. Let me know like what you guys think about these videos. And please make sure you're subscribed to this channel, turn on your post notification. Please drop a like on this video. Let's get this video to 100 likes, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.